Alright, so this is Cosmic Byte Pandora GK-26 something. I don't remember the full model name. I bought this for around 15 to 1600 rupees. Okay, so what happened was some time ago this array 6 Y H N was not working. Okay, so I fixed it, and now I'm getting a problem in 8 I K this and alt. Okay, so let me show you what's going on here. So let me pull this here and say I'm pressing I, it's not working. I'm pressing K, it's not working. I'm pressing N, M, it's working, but I'm pressing this, it's not working, and alt is not working as well. Okay, other keys are working, see, but this is not registering. Okay, so we are going to open this keyboard and try to look at the circuit board and try to fix it. This video is totally experimental. I am not a professional, neither I have professional tools. I just experimented and it worked, so I'm going to show you the same. Okay, it may work for you or it may not. So we have unscrewed everything and we are trying to open it now. Not everything. There are too many screws. So these are the positions, and we will just put it aside. And so you see this. Okay, so what we did was before when the Y was not working, when the Y array was not working, I did is I removed these. I don't know what these are, but I removed these and connected the wires directly using jumper wires. Okay, so that's what we are going to do with the I as well. So let me just see which one is I think 8 6 7 8. I think this is the 8 I, and then the later. Okay, so we are going to do the same with them. So I have marked these buttons and I'll put a little bit of soldering flux on these resistors or jumpers or whatever you can call it. I don't know what they are. I just experimented with these and it fixed. Using a soldering iron, I'm going to remove these. So I have put one point here and one is on the button. Okay, we're going to same. Now we have soldered one, and we will check whether the I is working or not. Okay, so I'll connect the keyboard. Unlock it. We will try to press
sorry, we have 8. So yes, 8 is working now. You see, 8 is working now. It's fine. We'll move ahead with this approach. So I'm going to show you what I did here. So you see this. So we have 3 points, 1, 2, 3, and you see this is connected to this one button, and this is connected to this button, and this is the main line, and this line connects these 3. Okay. So using these, we'll connect one wire to this and one wire to this. Okay. That's what we did here. So using from here, we connected one wire to here, one wire to here, and we are going to repeat that process for all of the joints that we have removed. Okay. One point is removed, so this is the copper part, so we're going to scratch this a little. One point here. So what we did here is we removed these components from here, 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 and here. Okay, and just connected them using the jumper wires. Okay, connected them using the jumper wires. You see these yellowish part, that's one wire, you can consider them. Okay, so you can connect them here or here, anywhere, and here to here, here to here. Okay, just like that, and it works. And now I'll pack it back and I'll show you. So 8 I K comma and alt tab. Okay, so alt tab is also working.